धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जो हमारे शिक्षा मंत्री है, इनको शर्म आनी चाहिए। लीक पे लीक, हमेशा पेपर लीक हो रहा है। बच्चे 6-6 महीने तक एग्जाम की तैयारियां करते हैं, गर्मी में जाते हैं, धूप में जाते हैं, पसीना बहाते हैं, एग्जाम देते हैं और वहाँ से आने के बाद पता चलता है कि पेपर लीक हो गया। ये कैसी सरकार है?
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को इस्तीफा देना होगा, मामिडाला को इस्तीफा देना होगा, यही हमारी मांग है।
The agency has postponed the joint CSIR UGC NET examination due to unavoidable circumstances and logistical issues. Candidates have been informed that the exam that was to be held between 25th and 27 June will now take place later. The revised schedule is yet to be announced. Joint CSIR UGC NET is conducted for the Junior Research Fellowship, Assistant Professor positions and PhD admissions. This postponement comes even as the political pot has been kept boiling over the controversy-ridden NEET exam, with the opposition attacking the centre over the alleged paper leak and other irregularities and the cancellation of the UGC NET exam due to compromised integrity.
This question leak is a institutional failure from NTA. That's why we are assuring you there will be a reform committee, action will be taken, responsibility will be fixed.
Well, these are all noble thoughts which are meaningless if he is taking a moral responsibility. What we have heard in politics all through, those who take the moral responsibility resign from their positions. But he is doing nothing of that sort.
जो बच्चों का नुकसान हुआ है, जो पेरेंट्स और बच्चे इसमें मेहनत करके उनका नुकसान हुआ है, मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए और उन्होंने रेजिग्नेशन देना चाहिए।